Actually, you see the electronic steering phase array terminal just appear because of the HTS Geo and also the Amelia Liu launched. Okay, so right now and for the many Geo satellite operator, they see the value of the electronic steering phase array terminal, and they want to use such the innovative products and to utilize their high power, okay, the satellite and the most, the more powerful satellite together with such mobility ESA terminal and to empower their business in the government sectors and in the enterprises sectors. And beside that, and there is just another, demand from the LEO, because our ESA terminal is not only for the HTSU but also for the LEO or MEO. So that is actually the multi-orbit terminal. And as you say, with more launching about Chinese LEO satellite, there are about 38,000 Chinese LEO will be launched within 2030. So, and we are also the least supplier for Chinese LEO satellite operators. So that's why we think we can have the more chances to work with other countries, the geo satellite operator, and to supply our, the qualified KU and OKA, the COTP, COTM, ESA terminal. So for the not only for the land mobility, but also for the sea mobility and the air mobility. The main target market is just, besides the traditional government and the enterprise sectors, okay? So we now have the newest, the target market, just like the high-end consumer market, because we are now produce such, the minimized, the ESA terminal, and that can be pre-installed for the automotive vehicle or after installed. So this is, actually this is can just suitable for the, the high-end, the car market. We are now working with Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and in Europe, and also we are working with Chinese Dongfeng M Hero, Geely, BYD. And and many, and even the, Huawei, okay, and so all of these car manufacturer has a very close connection with us, because they want to bring, the consumer, the high-end, the seamless satellite communication connectivity. So that's why they use our ESA terminal to empower their business. Actually, and because I mentioned the European market, that is for the high-end consumer market, and there is another a very important target market is a Belt and Road market, that is including the Asia, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, the Africa, and the South America, because they for the HTS Geo, especially for the KA satellite operator, they like our products, and they want to show their powerful satellite service together with Starwin, the KA terminal, and so that is to give the customer directly feel why their satellite is very powerful, because they can use such high integrated all-in-one solution. Yeah, so that's why they like it so much, and we want just help them to give them more support and to benefit their government enterprise customers. Right now, we have some the newest ESA terminal. Okay, you can see this is we call it ESA 30. Okay, and this is equivalent 0.3 meter parabolic antenna, but it's very functional and powerful, and it's not only to be as a COTP terminal, but also as a COTM terminal. Okay, and it can be just add the support, and this is the COTP, and reduce such and also add the platform. It becomes a COTM for HTS Geo. But for the Leo, and just no need this platform, and just to use it, put it on the roof of the vehicle. It's much easier to fast tracking and beam control, beam forming, to the Leo satellite. That is one, and we have another, the new product that is the world first SatPad. That is really the best, products for the 5G advanced with NTN products. That is, we see that is our first version. Okay, first version, it can work with 5G module inside, and also that for the normal people, they can work at home, or they can just go outside, use satellite, okay, connection. So that will bring them more convenience. This is definitely ubiquitous, connection, okay, with a seamless global coverage. So that's why for the normal people, they like it. And but this is firstly, this is start from the high or the medium end consumer, and then some government and such as defense or military, they like it so much because it's very light. It's about 4 kilograms and very small, and for the one person to carry and very easily. So this is our. You can see the new products, the new trend is to just to make such terminal very smaller, very lighter. This is the future trend, okay? As you say, Starwin already got the almost 10 cell operator qualification for the KO ESA and the K ESA terminal. And good news, several days ago we got the qualification from HISPR side for KO elephant wing and for KA leopard wing ESA terminal. And besides that, we also got the Intelsat approval and Hughes, Avanti. SCT as OpenSat, and we are doing more qualification testing with the ArabSat, YahaSat. Okay, so for the Southeast Asia, we are also just undergoing the qualification testing with PSN and Telkomsat. Okay, so that is because we experienced a lot of the expertise experience, okay, and for the design from the bigger size to medium size and the medium size, okay. So we also know we have the strong know-how, okay, strong R&D, and to design we know the this SatCom industry evolution, okay, that is they will use the half duplex ESA terminal, and right now it's already put into our development. Next year we will have our own half duplex TDD model, okay, that is will make the terminal smaller than this one. Oh, smaller than this one, okay? So make it thinner and lighter. That is will bring the more the convenience for the consumer, for the for the government or enterprises customers. Okay, so that's why because we know these companies development direction, and we have our own the development strategy that is for multi-orbit 5G plus NTN, the 6G, okay, and also we know and the customer really needs and their demands, so that's why we can just compete with other competitors.